Now, let's read this question. So the question says that the pressure on a sample of water at its triple point is reduced while the temperature is held constant. Which phases changes are favored? So when we reduce the pressure from a triple point of water, sample of water at a fixed temperature, so which phase changes are favored? So there is three things like melting of ice, sublimation of ice, and vaporization of liquid water. So let's solve this question. So first, if we'll reduce the pressure or on reducing the pressure from triple point, only vapor phase existing, only vapor phase existing. So when we reduce the pressure from the triple point, then there is only vapor phase existing at that time. That means this vapor either converted directly into. So now we have two things. Either vapor converted directly into solid by sublimation, directly vapor to solid directly by sublimation, or another thing is vaporization of liquid, or you can say that, or vaporization of liquid water. So when we reduce the pressure from triple point, there is only vapor phase. So either it is directly converted into solid by sublimation or vaporization of liquid water. That means vaporization, sublimation or vaporization. So if you see the three things like melting of ice, sublimation of ice, and vaporization of liquid water, then sublimation of ice can be occur, or vaporization of liquid water also can be occur. So we have two things, sublimation and vaporization. So when we reduce the pressure from the triple point, either sublimation of ice occur or vaporization of liquid water occur. So now option 2 and choice 2, set 2 statement and 3 statement are correct. That means option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.